Before you begin, remove the motor cover. Remove the Phillips screw from the top of the right side rail. Slide the side rail back towards the rear roller and lift it off the frame. Repeat these steps on the other side. Use an 8mm Allen wrench to loosen the rear roller bolts. This also loosens the belt. Use a long reach 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 bolts from the deck. You must install a new running belt and replace the elastomers when you flip or replace the running deck. Roll up the running belt. Push the right side of the front roller forward to remove it from the bracket. Then lift the roller at an angle and slide off the belt. Reverse the steps to install the new running belt. Use a screwdriver or another flat tool as a lever to elevate the roller. This allows you to align the roller with the bracket so that you can insert the bolt. As you are tensioning the rear roller, check the motor area to ensure that the drive belt is centered on the pulleys. The running belt tension gives the drive belt tension. If the drive belt is misaligned, it can cause noise or damage the belt. Tension the running belt. Complete instructions are available in the frame troubleshooting guide.